This channel is for real-life English speaking. This video is perfect for A1 to A2 beginner-level English learners. Some sentences will be difficult, and I repeat 2 times. I repeat difficult words 2 times. Let me ask you a simple question. Can you talk about your daily routine in English? Most English learners say yes in their mind, but when they open their mouth, nothing comes out. They know the words, they know the grammar, but they cannot connect sentences smoothly. This problem is very common among English learners. This problem is very common among English learners. When someone asks simple questions like, "What do you do in the morning? How is your day? What do you do before sleeping?" The mind understands the question, but the mouth feels slow and confused. This happens because learners do not practice daily routine sentences. This happens because learners do not practice daily routine sentences. Daily routine is the most powerful topic for speaking practice because you live it every day. If you can talk about your daily routine clearly, you can talk about many other topics easily. In this video, I will help you speak from morning to night. I will use easy English words. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will repeat only long and difficult sentences. I will repeat only long and difficult sentences. So you can listen, you can repeat, and you can build confidence step by step. Watch this video till the end, because at the end, you will be able to talk about your full day in English. And one more thing. Do not just watch this video. Speak with me. Repeat after me. This is not just a video. This is your speaking practice session. Now take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start talking about our daily routine.
Now let us start with the morning. My day begins early in the morning. I usually wake up before the sun rises. The early morning feels quiet and peaceful. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly and take a moment to understand that a new day has started. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly and take a moment to understand that a new day has started. I stay in bed for a short time. I do not rush or panic. I take a deep breath and relax my body. I stretch my arms and legs gently to wake up my body. I stretch my arms and legs gently to wake up my body. Stretching helps my blood move and remove sleep from my body. Stretching helps my blood move and remove sleep from my body. After that, I get out of bed and stand on the floor. I feel fresh air around me. I walk slowly towards the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water. Cold water makes me feel fresh and awake. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. I take my time and do not rush. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. This small smile gives me positive energy and confidence for the day. This small smile gives me positive energy and confidence for the day. After brushing my teeth, I take a shower. The water is warm and comfortable. Taking a warm shower helps me relax my mind and body completely. Taking a warm shower helps me relax my mind and body completely. I enjoy the feeling of water for a few minutes. I do not stay too long in the shower. After the shower, I dry myself and wear clean clothes. Clean and comfortable clothes make me feel fresh, confident, and ready for the day. Clean and comfortable clothes make me feel fresh, confident, and ready for the day. Then I move to the kitchen. The kitchen feels calm in the morning. I prepare my breakfast with simple food. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually eat eggs, bread, or fruit. Sometimes I drink tea or warm water. While eating breakfast, I do not use my phone. While eating breakfast, I do not use my phone. I focus on my food and eat slowly. I enjoy the taste and the quiet moment. While eating, I think about my plans for the day. I decide what tasks I need to complete. This habit helps me start my day with a clear and calm mind. This habit helps me start my day with a clear and calm mind. After breakfast, I go to my desk. I start my work or study. I sit comfortably and organize everything around me. I open my laptop and check emails or messages. I open my laptop and check emails or messages. Then I plan my tasks for the day. Planning helps me stay focused and avoid stress. Planning helps me stay focused and complete my work on time. Planning helps me stay focused and complete my work on time. I always start with the most important task. I try to finish one task before starting another. This habit helps me avoid confusion and mistakes. This habit helps me avoid confusion and mistakes. Sometimes my work feels difficult and tiring. Sometimes my work feels difficult and tiring. When I feel tired, I take short breaks. I drink water and take deep breaths. Short breaks help my mind relax and recharge. Short breaks help my mind relax and recharge. During work or study, I write notes in my notebook. Writing notes helps me remember important points easily. If I am studying, I read my books carefully. I underline difficult words. I repeat sentences aloud. Repeating sentences aloud helps me improve my English speaking. Repeating sentences aloud helps me improve my English speaking. After a few hours, I eat a small snack. I drink water or tea. This keeps me active and fresh. After the snack, I work on smaller tasks. Smaller tasks are easier and faster to complete. Completing small tasks gives me confidence and motivation. Completing small tasks gives me confidence and motivation. In the afternoon, I eat lunch. Lunch gives me energy for the rest of the day. My lunch is simple and healthy. I eat rice, vegetables, or light food. While eating lunch, I sit quietly. I think about my work and progress. After lunch, I take a short rest. This rest helps my body recover from morning work. This rest helps my body recover from morning work. After resting, I continue my work or study. I focus on easy and light tasks. Sometimes the afternoon feels long and slow. Sometimes the afternoon feels long and slow. At that time, I stretch my body or take a short walk. This helps me feel active again. In the evening, I go outside for fresh air. Fresh air helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I meet my friends. We talk about our day. We share stories and laugh together. Meeting friends makes me feel happy and relaxed. Meeting friends makes me feel happy and relaxed. Sometimes I stay at home with my family. We talk, laugh, and spend time together. Spending time with family gives me peace and happiness. Spending time with family gives me peace and happiness. At night, I slow down my activities. I turn off bright lights. I reduce noise around me. I read a book or listen to soft music. This helps my mind calm down. Then I eat dinner with my family. I eat light food so I can sleep well. After dinner, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get ready for bed. I put my phone away. I do not use my phone before sleeping. This habit helps me sleep peacefully and wake up fresh. This habit helps me sleep peacefully and wake up fresh. Before sleeping, I think about good moments of the day. I feel thankful and calm. Finally, I close my eyes and fall asleep. Night is the perfect time to recharge my mind and body. Night is the perfect time to recharge my mind and body. If you follow this routine, you can talk about your full day in English. From morning to night, every action becomes speaking practice. Remember, English speaking improves with daily practice and repetition. Remember, English speaking improves with daily practice and repetition. Before we end this video, I want to talk to you from the heart. If you are still watching, I want you to know something important. You are doing a great job. Yes, you are doing a great job just by trying to improve yourself. Learning English is not easy. Speaking English is even harder. Many people stop trying because they feel shy, afraid, or tired. But you are here. You are listening. You are practicing. And that means you are already moving forward. Do not compare yourself with others. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. Both are okay. What matters is that you do not stop. Remember one simple truth. You do not need perfect English. You only need clear English. You only need practice. Every small sentence you speak is progress. Every mistake you make is learning. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are part of success. Many English learners think they are not good enough. They think their accent is bad. They think their grammar is weak. They think people will laugh at them. Let me tell you something honestly. Most people are busy with their own lives. They are not judging you. And even if someone laughs, it does not matter. Your growth is more important than their opinion. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Confidence comes after practice. Do not wait to feel confident. Start speaking even when you feel nervous. Start speaking even when your voice shakes. This is how confidence is built. You do not need long hours. You do not need expensive courses. You only need daily effort. 10 minutes a day is enough. 10 minutes of speaking, 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of repeating sentences. If you practice every day, your English will improve. Slowly, but surely. Think about your daily routine. You wake up. You eat. You work. You meet people. You sleep. All these actions can become English sentences. This is why daily routine practice is powerful. It is simple. It is real. It is useful. You do not need big vocabulary to speak English. You need simple words used correctly. Simple English is strong English. When you speak simple English clearly, people understand you. And understanding is the real goal of language. Do not try to sound like a native speaker. Try to sound like a confident speaker. Your accent is not a problem. Your accent is your identity. English belongs to everyone who speaks it. If today you can speak one sentence, tomorrow speak two. If today you understand 50%, tomorrow understand 60. Small steps matter. Daily steps matter. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you will feel tired. Both days are normal. On tired days, do not stop completely. Just do a little. Even one sentence is enough. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Consistency stays. If you practice even when you feel lazy, you will win. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You speak English more smoothly. You understand more. You feel less afraid. That future version of you is waiting. And your daily practice is the bridge. Do not rush the journey. Enjoy the process. Speak slowly. Think clearly. Repeat often. English is not a race. English is a skill, and skills grow with time. If you make English part of your daily life, it will become natural. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Speak in front of the mirror. Repeat sentences from videos like this. Your mouth needs training. Your brain already knows more than you think. Many learners understand English, but they cannot speak. This is not because they are weak. This is because they do not practice speaking. Speaking is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So please, speak. Even if it is slow, even if it is broken. Broken English is better than silent English. Today, promise yourself one thing. You will not give up. You will keep trying. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. And remember, you are not alone. Many learners are on the same journey. We are learning together. If this video helped you, be proud of yourself. You invested time in your growth. Like the video to support the channel. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. And write your daily routine in the comments. Write even if it is simple. Write even if it has mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection. Thank you for spending your time here. Thank you for trusting this learning process. Keep going, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself. See you in the next video.